Okay guys, so welcome back once again to Voices and Views, everyone. Namiss niyo ba kami? So for now, we're going to talk about how to number our days.
Wow, how do you
so
profound? How do you number the days? Do you count ba? May may kine-ekisan yung kalendaryo?
Papunta na to sa ano
Or yung pag ganon-ganon?
Oo, nagawa ko na ba to? Itong pangatlo, skip
Ay,
muna
bucket
ako.
list. Parang ganon ba yun?
parang
Other way?
ganon.
My God.
Hindi na.
Hindi ba?
naman.
YOLO.
Yeah, I mean, I think this, like you said, no, to number our days is not literally really counting your
The
days,
days.
counting the days that you are on earth, but it means that you value your time. So
Yes.
valuing your time means you should learn to enjoy each moment, yeah, with your family, with your friends, or with your colleagues, and to make sure that each moment counts. Parang
Ay,
Yeah.
so you are, because we know that life is short. I mean, everybody knows that, especially when the pandemic hit us. Everyone has been made aware of the brevity of life, that
Mhm.
life is short. And then people somehow has come to realize that I need to set goals, I need to know my priorities.
Yeah, and I need to do things that
that's
are
right.
worth
Yes,
it.
and why we came up with this is also because we wanted to value
To-
our
To
time,
live,
Yeah.
to
ano.
live a kind of legacy maybe in the future, that we did something for the Lord.
Yeah,
That's
to make an
right. Yeah.
impact.
But you know what? Itong nangyari nga na tawag dito, yung ibang mga tao, mas napansin mo, ang dami nagta-travel. Ang
Uh-huh.
dami.
Naging open na yung tao
Mhm.
na to discover different
Mhm.
places,
That's
to
right.
experience new
Oo,
things,
oo.
and
I think there's nothing wrong that people now are really traveling a
Yes.
lot for
enjoying
enjoying,
life.
yeah. Not always saving. I mean, there's nothing wrong with saving. Of course, you need to have that balance of enjoying your life, and at the same time also preparing for your future. But I think that's
Balance.
it's a
ano,
balance,
life.
Balance,
yeah.
yeah.
It's a balanced life.
You save, but then you enjoy.
You
enjoy.
It's very important that we live each day
As
na
if-
balance siya, as if it's our
your
last.
That's
So
right.
do the things that you want to do.
Yeah. But then,
Since we are here in the UAE, so as an OFW, how do we parang tell them na how do we number our days as an
Mhm.
OFW
As an
here in
OFW.
UAE?
yeah.
What do you think, Ate
Oh
Weng?
my,
Since numbered naman talaga yung days natin kasi hanggang 60 lang.
Oo.
First and foremost, we should know our priorities in life. Yeah, so like us here in the UAE, or like as a family, or even us as friends, we know our priorities. It's God, so we value our time with God, and of course, we value our time with the family, and then our jobs, and then last thing is what we do for the church or the ministry.
Yeah.
So this is how we set our priorities. Like, so if you know your priorities, then it's easy for you to decide, di ba?
Yeah, you're guided.
You're guided.
Guided.
Kasi alam ko na yung priorities ko. So, for example, someone offer you to be in a remote place working,
Yes.
like other place. But then your family will be left.
Maybe,
Will be here
Yeah.
or will be somewhere
So
else.
how are you going to decide? if
So
that's
how are
the
you
case?
going to decide? So then you go
You-
back to your,
Your
priorities.
Yeah.
And then you see that your family is second to the priority, so
Yeah.
you wouldn't go because it's
Mhm.
not God's plan for you.
Mhm.
Because God's plan is for the family
To be together. Mm.
So
Pero sasabihin naman,
Oo.
magkakasama nga.
wala
Oo.
na.
Wala
Wala
naman
naman.
makain.
That's
Well,
right.
I think it's also depends. We don't want to, like, for example, give you a kind of format. There's no really
Yeah.
formula, or
Yeah.
nothing works for everyone. So I think there's really one size fit all.
That's why you
Well,
really
yeah.
seek wisdom from God.
Exactly.
Kung ano talaga yung... So, on a personal level
Oo.
naman, individually, how do you number your days?
Okay, let me start. Like ako, example sa work ko. We always say we have to value urgent versus important. Sa akin naman, syempre, may work ako, tapos may family ako. I see to it na I spend time with them, most especially pag Sunday where we go to the church. For me, that's really an important thing to prioritize.
Yun nga, you have to do things na mapiplease si God, 'di ba? Sa buhay mo. So yung ang magiging ano dito, yung famous question ng mga interviewer, how would you want to be remembered when you leave
Nice.
Earth? So kung talagang you numbered your days, yung mga tao, maaalala ka as someone na meron kang nagawa talaga
Valuable
na may value or may impact
back.
sa tao
Yes.
or sa mundo.
That's nice, yeah.
Most important also if kung matanong yung children mo,
Oo, yung mga taong
how was
nakakakilala
your dad
sa'yo.
or how was your mom?
Yeah.
Paano kung sabihin ng anak ko na, I don't know because my dad will leave very early and then comes home late at
Late.
night when we are already sleeping.
Mhm.
Yung pati pong pag-uwi mo, dalaga na pala yung anak ko.
Very important that we really, what do you call this?
Go
Go back
back
to
the
basics, wherein valuable yun or impactful yung mga gagawin mo. Kasi yun yung benchmark eh. Kung magiging
Sometimes
okay.
we just complicate our
Yeah.
lives.
We do, yeah.
Diba?
Ang dami.
Simple lang naman.
Nag-adobo, tapos yung adobo mo, ang dami mo nang
Ang
pinaglal.
dami mo gusto
Diba,
mo,
parang-
may pineapple.
Oo,
ibabad mo na sa
oo,
pineapple.
diba may ganon?
Liver spread.
Oo, suka lang naman. Tsaka
Sis,
toyo,
ang
sabi
daming
ng lola
gumawa ng
natin.
versions. Yung mga kilalang
Ba't
chef.
Sa adobo.
Ang tayo, akala natin, yung maaring gusto pala ng anak ko ng iPhone 16, yung pala, ang gusto lang niya is to spend time with her or with him. Na, and then you just play together or
Yeah.
watch movie together or watch TV together. So tayo, parang we strive hard na maibigay sa kanila yung super grand na
Yeah.
whatever you think na gusto nyong ibigay. Pero that's not actually
Hindi pala
what
yun.
they need.
Diba sabi nga, your children or whoever, they won't remember the gift that you've given them on their first birthday, on their 8th birthday. But they will always remember during the time that you played with them, you had them,
You hug them, you kiss
hugged
them.
you had bedtime stories.
Iyak na
diba?
si madam. In conclusion, isama ko na lang din doon. Yung parang numbering our days is still, how we value you or papaano din tayo i-value ng ating family.
But for others din, lalo na dito, parang, you can enjoy, you can go to, yung iba, syempre, you go to the bar, meet with friends,
Yes.
girlfriends, boyfriends, you can do that. But then, it has to, parang, there should be like an end. Hanggang kailan ka mag-enjoy ng ganong buhay.
It's very temporary.
Oh, those are
Bigyan mo
temporary
rin ng,
things.
ng limit.
Oo, ng limit. We have to we need to improve our lives.
Yes.
Parang from glory to
Yes.
To
glory.
glory, yes.
So pag
Maganda yun.
pag nag-year-end review ka, malapit na yung New Year, di ba?
Yes, may year-end.
Parang nag-reflect ka sa anong ginawa ko ng 2024.
Did I improve?
Did I improve?
Is there any
May nang-
advancement in terms of...
Is there a
not just
significant change
Yeah.
that happened in my life? No, 2023, pareho rin ba yung review ko?
Yeah.
So parang pag tinignan mo, ay, parang walang nangyayari.
Same.
Dapat may growth.
So parang walang growth, walang development, walang something new na nangyari sa buhay ko. So parang ibig sabihin, routine, same thing
Yeah.
over and over yung nangyayari sa buhay mo. Year after year. Tapos mag-e-expect ka na parang bakit hindi nagbabago yung buhay ko.
kasi hindi yung nag-improve ang relationship mo kay God.
Yes,
That's true. That's
yeah.
true.
Diba?
Yeah.
Baka naman kasi parang kang elementary pa din. Tapos sasabi mo, Lord, ba't ganun? Yung sa work ko, wale. Yung relationship ko, love life ko, wale. Bakit may relationship ka ba kay God in the first place?
So,
Sa sarili mo.
Yeah.
So ngayon, in-number na nga nila kasi. Like, teach themselves how to prioritize your time with God
With
more
God.
than anyone or anything else.
Yes. Kasi pag guided talaga tayo ni Lord,
Yeah.
everything will fall into place.
Everything will follow. Yes.
Everything will follow and
That's
everything
right.
will be in balance.
That's
Kasi
true.
God is a God of order.
Yeah.
God is a
Yes.
God of
Mhm.
balance.
Yes.
God is a God of parang of happiness. He
Happiness,
creates
yes, yes.
beautiful things.
Yeah.
He creates beautiful experiences.
For me to enjoy.
For us to
For us to
enjoy.
enjoy. Yeah.
That's right.
And God also wants us to improve. Parang yun nga, year
Yeah.
after year, parang from glory
Yeah,
to glory.
Yeah.
Always outperform yourself.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ganon.
Outperform yourself. Pero guided ka dapat. ni God.
Correct.
Kasi minsan,
But make,
baka naman din tayo like masyado tayong hard sa sarili natin. Like, I
Overachiever
have
ka
to do this.
naman.
Have I done this?
Yeah.
No, what's the next thing to do? And then later on, ay, kalimutan ko na may pamilya pala ako.
Oo.
Ay, wait, dapat pala,
Kaya
at
nga.
least may oras ako kay God.
The main point is
Nawala.
balance.
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 Ganyan po
Ng
nagtatapos
kahit
ang
hapon
isa na
yung
naman pong makabuluhang episode dito sa Voices and Views.
And enjoy our coffee.
Yes, yeah. Don't forget, enjoy your coffee and share nyo naman din how you number your days. We hope na may napulot kayo sa amin. Tama,
Yes.
Mish?
Yes. That you got something
Yeah, that's
from our
right.
conversation.
Yeah.
Pagod na.
Pagod na po kami. So, pag napagod po kayo, magpahinga po kayo. Huwag nyo na pong in-number pa ng 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bye-bye!
Bye!
Bye!